Start by initiating the trade-in process through Verizon's website or app. Provide your device's IMEI or serial number to receive a valuation and prepaid shipping label. Before shipping, back up all your data. Then remove the SIM or eSIM card and perform a factory reset to protect your personal information. Pack the phone securely in a sturdy box, preferably the original packaging, using bubble wrap or foam padding. Include a declaration note with your name, trade-in details, and IMEI for verification. Finally, affix the prepaid shipping label prominently on the outer box. Avoid adding extra labels that could confuse scanners. Proper labeling and proof are vital for a successful Verizon trade-in. Always use the prepaid shipping label provided by Verizon. Do not add any other labels. Retain a record of the tracking number, shipping confirmation email, and photos of the packed device as proof of shipment. Consider insuring the package for its trade-in value, up to $1,000 via carrier options, to protect against loss or damage during transit. If mailing from a post office, obtain a certified mail receipt for added security. Trade-ins are typically processed within 7 to 14 business days after receipt, with credits applied to your bill or new device purchase. These steps help mitigate risks, ensuring you receive the full credit for your trade-in, which can range from $50 for older models to over $1,000 for recent flagships.